Here are 100 common English verbs in their base form, past simple form, and past participle form. These will help you learn how to use different tenses correctly: sleep, slept, slept, go, went, gone, swim, swam, swum, eat, ate, eaten, drink, drank, drunk, write, wrote, written, read, read, pronounced read, read, pronounced read, speak, spoke, spoken, take, took, taken, come, came, come. Do, did, done, make, made, made, see, saw, seen, give, gave, given, find, found, found, get, got, gotten, /got, buy, bought, bought, have, had, play, played, played, sing, sang, sung, run, ran, run, cut, cut, drive, drove, driven, begin, began, begun, finish, finished, finished, draw, drew, drawn, think, thought, build, built, teach, taught, catch, caught. Meet, met, sleep, slept, lie, lay, lain, stand, stood, sit, Saturday through Saturday, tell, told, help, helped, work, worked, walk, walked, laugh, laughed, cry, cried, love, loved, hate, hated, wait, waited, change, changed, travel, traveled, start, started, stop, stopped, close, closed. Open, opened, look, looked, ask, asked, answer, answered, listen, listened, speak, spoken, wash, washed, clean, cleaned, shut, pay, paid, win, won, lose, lost, think, thought, sleep, slept, study, studied, call, called, sell, sold, buy, bought. Burn, burned, burnt, begin, begun, feel, felt, teach, taught, understand, understood, use, used, try, tried, win, won, lose, lost, agree, agreed, disagree, disagreed, search, searched, look, looked, live, lived, died, build, built, break, broken, fix, fixed. Feel, felt, grow, grew, grown, throw, thrown, joined, love, loved, visit, visited, meet, met, play, played, walk, walked, work, worked, want, wanted, help, helped, jump, jumped, sing, sang, sung, dance, danced. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned more.